I will.
It's full. It's full. All right, man. All right, this panel is being fed by this, obviously. When we come into this panel, it's basically a 60 amp sub panel. Then he's got another 60 amp sub panel for the garage. He's got a lot of breakers on here, so I'm gonna go to the store and get a mini 15 amp tandem or 20 amp tandem. And this is a Siemens panel. So that's what we're gonna do. Home Depot, here we go.
I'm just talking loud.
All right, so we routed the wire over all the way down. We're gonna hit some cable ties, and I'll probably pop in either the top or maybe the side here. Just gotta get it to the neutral and no ground bus.
What's with the dog? Put him in his cage.
Took that one out, put the mini tandem in, open up the spot. Don't touch. Hey, for the 3 or 4 people worldwide that are watching this, I should also mention I'm not an electrician. I'm just an amazing electrical engineer. So you're just watching some dude wire a panel. Proceed at your own risk.
Don't worry, we got a pool where you can go jumping. I like to link up with somebody. Come here. The issue I got with him is he has to go pull a permit through somebody else.
Yeah. Who, Craven does?
No.
Oh, yeah.
It could be a weight game.
Yep. Craven's legit, but he's busy, so, you know, he needs it for something. Try to give him a couple. Yeah.
Park Ave down to Maple Shade.
Yeah.
Past the middle school.
Uh-huh.
That pizzeria on your left. It used to be called Flying Crust.
Okay, I know what you're talking about. Pepperonis.
She ran through it.
Oh, shit.
The biggest door ran right through the door.
I didn't even know that.
You know, they said if the owner wasn't drunk.
Yeah.
And if he wasn't intoxicated, he would have been dead on impact.
Oh, yeah, when you're intoxicated, they say that you're like so limber that you kind of go with the flow of the accident as opposed to when you're scared and you lock up. Change your plans. He only has one space open, and I don't like to double up my grounds, so I'm going to take the mini tandem out, switch it back, and then use it here, combine 2 breakers.
Did you ever use that site down this auction?
I do, yeah, I love that site. But the thing that pisses me off about, I don't know how to say it, Nelson Neos or whatever it is, like, the thing that pisses me off about that website is I didn't know that, like, once you bid on something and you outbid somebody and they run out of time, all of a sudden because you last minute bid, like they cheated, like they reset the clock, and all of a sudden they're like, oh well, you know, even though you were like the last bidder, they give them like 15 more seconds and then somebody else opts it. Like, that's fucked up. Like, you should be just like, okay, you were the last bidder, you won. There's no time extension. I hate when they do that stuff. Ooh-wee. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Cletus. Come on, Cletus. Come on, buddy. There we go. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Alright, now we just need the ring. I forgot I was recording. Carefully. There you go. Here, there. I like the guy's fire job, wherever he was. Is it Able Electric? There it was. I already did the stuff here.
Yeah.
Swear, man, I go back in time when I was going to school for engineering. Alright, ground comes in and over. Let's go for the neutral. Neutral bus is here and right here. Okay, I just took out the mini tandem I just put in, and now I gotta restore power to the second floor, and I've pissed off my friend's kids. I'm sure I got the Wi-Fi. All right, they're back on. That's good. Bend that, make that prettier. Okay. Panels tied in. Now to remove these 2 breakers. re-energize that one, but not this one. We're good.
This is the shit I'm talking about.
Get that off.
Don't come down here. Yeah, alright. You wish, man. I'm not even gonna get it up.
He's like, I wish you would come up here. Wait. I just tripped something. That was me again. Is anything else off? Sorry, when I put the panel cover in, it tripped one. That was my fault.
That's a sign to go to bed. For him, I didn't even get to play the PlayStation. No. No, actually not. It's not it's only a barn. But it's not like shit. They triggered the game. Shit. Yeah, he's like, am I good? What the heck? He's got to flip this around. But see, you don't like that fucking felt one. Don't come down here trying to eat stuff and shoot me. So, I never visited my friends. Yeah. Keep watching it. Play with him. Maybe I will play with him for the same 3D.
Alright, so this is the final result. My buddy installed the outlet in the enclosure. Nice job. Weatherproof screws, weatherproof enclosure, GFI outlet. And let's go. I know what it's going to say. Alright, this video's over.